Conventionally, pilot gives input for controlling aircraft via control column in the cockpit. The mechanical input to the control stick is given to the actuators via mechanical or hydraulic means, which will cause the control surface to move accordingly for the desired output. In the conceived project, we modified the initiation and inputs given by the pilot from the control columns and pedals. Through this project, we are extending the digital world in which pilot can interact through simple gestures. Gesture is a motion that contains specific useful information. Gestures are sensed accurately by means of sensors. These sensors are capable of producing equivalent electrical signals which can be easily processed and monitored by a computing device. The programmed processors can't generate signals according to the inputs, which can move the control surface with the help of actuating mechanism. The conceived work demonstrates a simple gesture interface device to control few specific flight controls. We simplified the working model so as to reduce the expenses and the complexity of the system. Simplification of flight controls and extending the digital controls ability with the help of gesture control mechanism is the central idea of our proposed work highlights. Use of many electronic devices have made the demonstrative model to work. The devices used are transformer, filter circuit voltage regulator, relay, microcontroller, motor and gyro sensor. The motion sensed by the gyro sensor activates and deactivates the relay according to the coding in the microcontroller, which drives the motor. The motor actuates the control surface. The sensor is held in hand and moved to right and left, which cause the rudder to move right and left respectively. This is how the yaw movement is controlled. The back and forth movement of the sensor causes the elevator to move up and down. Thus the pitching is controlled. Camera sensors can be used in real aircraft for controlling the primary and secondary control surfaces. In real flight, this results in the use of predefined gestures to control the whole aircraft instead of using any physical devices. The gestures are identified using image processing using the signals from camera. The possibility of GIs is immense, which can be utilized in various airlines. It is worth to provide simplified cockpit, improved performance, better reaction time, etc. We just gave a spark in this space and let it spread in the horizon of aeronautics.